Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this absolutely beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q50 Sport that we have for sale. This was recently retired out of our loaner car fleet. The way that works is when we need a loaner car, we'll pluck a brand new Infiniti out of our inventory. We'll put it in loaner car service for about a year. And the way the loaner car service works is one of the perks of being a new Infiniti customer or a certified pre-owned Infiniti customer is you get complimentary Infiniti loaner cars for extended service days. So this was loaned out to our Infiniti service customers. It only has 15,427 miles. It's been in our care its whole life, and now it's available for sale as a certified pre-owned vehicle. So you get all those benefits you normally would with a brand new Infiniti. You get a 6-year, 75,000 mile certified warranty that covers about 1,500 components. Roadside assistance, trip interruption for the duration of that certified warranty, and your first year of basic maintenance is complimentary. We have the original build sheet on this one. This one is very well equipped, almost loaded for a sport package Q50. Original MSRP was $56,375. Some of the big ticket features include the essential package that gives you navigation, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 60/40 split fold down rear seat, and remote engine start. Proassist, it was a $1,650 option giving you blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, backup collision intervention. So if you're backing up, a vehicle is going to drive past you while you're backing up, or a pedestrian walks behind you, it will automatically hit the brakes. And a round view monitor, which is basically a 360-degree round view camera. Infiniti was actually one of the first companies to come up with a production 360 overhead camera like that. Infiniti has always been big on technology, and they've been pioneering a lot of technology over the years. Front and rear sonar system, predictive forward collision warning, and forward emergency braking also come with the Proassist package. Then we have the performance package. That was a $1,500 option, giving you the dynamic digital suspension. That usually comes standard on the Red Sport, optional on the Sport Q50. So that digital dynamic suspension can be adjusted with the drive mode selector, and it really improves the handling and feel of this Q50. You also get sport brakes with silver painted calipers and steering wheel mounted paddle shifters. The sensory package was a $2,650 option, giving you Bose Performance Series 16 speaker sound system, power tilt telescoping steering wheel, dual occupant memory with a power steering column. It has an advanced climate control system that cleans and filters the air, enhanced interior ambient lighting, and auto dimming outside mirrors. Then we have the Proactive package. That was a $2,700 option, and that's pretty much like your technology package, giving you adaptive cruise control, direct adaptive steering, lane departure prevention, lane departure warning, active trace control, distance control assist, an adaptive front lighting system with auto leveling headlights, high beam assist, and front pre-crash seatbelts, eco pedal. It has the illuminated kick plates, $465 option, Infiniti Radiant Grille emblem. That really looks cool, $400 option. So, and then you have Infiniti Radiant Welcome lighting. That was a $425 option. So this thing is just decked out with equipment. So if you're in the market for a Q50, this is a beautiful one to consider. Certified pre-owned, low miles, dual display system. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps, heated seats, heated steering wheel. You can drill down and kind of program and fine-tune things for yourself if you want. This has direct adaptive steering, so you can really take control over the feel of the steering. So the way the direct adaptive steering works is that there's no mechanical connection to the front wheels. It's drive-by-wire. It's all handled by electric motors and computers. And the reason why Infiniti is doing that is for a number of reasons. For one, it can filter out unwanted feedback. So if you hit a rut in the road or a pothole that might jerk the wheel, since there's no mechanical connection, that won't happen. Also, this helps, this direct adaptive steering system also helps canceling out crosswinds if you get blown around on crosswinds. And it also works with the lane keep assistance system by making small steering corrections on the highway to keep you in your lane. Likewise, with lane departure prevention, it will steer you back into your lane. Lane departure warning, blind spot warning and blind spot intervention if you try going out or changing lanes into a vehicle that's in your blind spot, it will also steer you back in your lane. So that's why it is helpful to have a complete drive-by-wire or steer-by-wire system. And eventually, it's going to lead to Infiniti having an excellent, completely fully autonomous vehicle. That is kind of the reason why Infiniti has been pushing the direct adaptive steering. And it's actually the first production vehicle ever to have direct adaptive steering of this kind is the Q50. The Q50 is also built in the advanced front midship platform shared with a Nissan 370Z sports car. They place the engine as far back behind the front axle as possible so that the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle for excellent weight distribution, so this vehicle rotates on its axis, improving the handling and feel through the corners. 2018 is a great year for the Q50 because it got an exterior and interior restyling. You have a new steering wheel, new shifter, premium stitching on the dashboard. You have a new alloy wheel design for the sport package, redesigned rear fascia. You also kind of like have this underbody splitter, which is a new feature for 2018. And it's pretty much identical to 2019 and 2020. Really the only change for 2020 was the availability of Apple CarPlay, if that's not an Android Auto. If that's not important for you, this 2018 is really an awesome value. Nice color combination in black on black. On the sport package, you also have extra bolstering in the seats to hold you in place during performance driving. The sport package, you also get a more aggressive front fascia, also restyled. You have this two-tone bottom part of the air dam. So in the other versions, it was all just one color, but now they have this kind of like this little two-tone graphite colored one, which is contrasts nicely with the black paint on it. And as we mentioned before, this has adaptive front headlights, so it actually will steer into the corners so you can see a little bit better down those darkly lit roads. The heart of the Q50 in 2018 is the VR30 twin turbo engine making 300 horsepower. Maybe a little bit overshadowed by the Red Sport 400, but if you know, all-out speed is not your #1 goal, this thing is still really fast with 300 horsepower. It's faster than a lot of other cars. And it's a pretty good discount versus the premium you have to pay for the Red Sport, considering you get a lot of the features you get on the Red Sport with this one, except for that extra 100 horsepower. Like I said, if all-out speed isn't for you, or maybe you're kind of on the fence, I recommend maybe driving this and driving a Red Sport and see what you think. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful